apply second gear ma'am ha. Naka second gear ka? Okay, focus ka pa rin sa steering kahit ikaw ay nag-apply ng gear. Ano? Maintain mo lang yung 30 km ha. Speed limit natin is 30. Okay. Next gear ma'am, third gear. Apply third gear. Focus ka pa rin sa steering. Okay, third gear. Okay, move. Move. Gas. Okay, good. Sabay lang mama, sabay lang. Focus sa kalsada. Kamusta ang driving mo ma'am? Kay Road Vibes?
Marami po ako natutunan. Marami pa ako natutunan.
Satisfied ba ma'am?
Satisfied.
Okay, apply third gear ma'am. Fourth gear. Carry?
Okay.
Okay, apply. Clutch. Wait lang, clutch. Okay. Okay, good. Move. Relax lang, diretso lang. Okay. Focus ka ma'am ha. Okay. Balik mo kay third gear. Focus sa kalsada. Okay. Move. Okay, test ma'am. Anong gear ma'am?
Third.
Okay, third gear. Kailangan, pag nag-drive ka, hindi mo rin kakalimutan kung anong gear ang naka-apply. Okay, para hindi ka malito.